Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x square root 1 plus 3 cos x dx. I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. This is 0. And sin x square root 1 plus 3 cos x dx. Here we use substitution method, so put here this value 1 plus 3 cos x is equal to t. When we differentiate, we get this is 0 and this is 3, actually negative 3 sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, because when we differentiate cos x, we get minus sin x. Here sin x dx, so sin x dx and minus 3 here multiply, other side divide. So we get minus 1 upon 3 dt. And here lower limit is 0. So when x tends to 0, when we put here 0, so cos 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So t value is 4. T tends to 4. When x tends to pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is 0 and 0 times 3 is 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, t tends to 1. So here limit 0 to pi by 2, now 4 to 1. Okay, so I is equal to integration 4 to 1. This is square root t. Okay, this value t. And sin x dx is minus 1 upon 3. We can write here and dt. Okay, so minus 1 upon 3 integration 4 to 1 t to the power 1 upon 2. Now we can integrate minus 1 upon 3, and when we integrate we get t to the power 3 upon 2, because 1 upon 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2, and this is 3 upon 2, divide here, and like this 4 to 1 limit, lower limit 4, upper limit 1. Okay, so 3 upon 2 here in denominator, so we can write 1 upon 3 times 2 upon 3 t to the power 3 upon 2, 4 to 1. Okay, so when we simplify we get minus 2 upon 9 t to the power 3 upon 2, 4 to 1, minus 2 upon 9, and we can put limits. So t value we put upper limit, so 1 to the power 3 upon 2, and now lower limit to the power 3 upon 2. Okay, then minus 2 upon 9, here 1 to the power 3 upon 2 is 1, and 4 we can write 2 square. Okay, so actually I can write here 4 to the power 3 upon 2. It means 2 square to the power 3 over 2. Power to the power multiply. So 2 times 3 upon 2. 2 cancel. We get 3. 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So we can write 8 here. Okay. And this is minus 2 upon 9. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So answer is 14 upon 9 in improper fraction or mixed number. This is 9 times 1 and 5. So 1 5 upon 9. This is the answer. 14 upon 9 or 1 5 upon 9. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.